Goodness, I can't believe it. They're so loud. What's so loud? Oh, hey, Sonic. Yeah, what's so loud then, Enderman? Well, how you doing? Oh, sorry, I just need to fix my jaw. Yeah, Steve is doing a huge party. It's so loud I can't even sleep. Then why don't you just ask him to stop? I can't. Why? Because I hate noise, and also he might kill me with his diamond sword. Well, the music's gonna get louder and louder if you don't do anything. Well, you are right about that, but what? But yeah, they still will kill me, though. Well, if you want to, well, see ya. Wait, Sonic! Oh man, what am I supposed to do now? Yeah, Sonic's right. I should go over there. Oh my goodness, this music's so awesome! Steve, what is it, Enderman? Can you turn down the music? No. Why? 'Cause I'm hosting a huge party. There's no one here. I know, but they're coming. I just started the party. Well, can you turn it down a little bit? No. I'm not turning it down. Please, no. Please, no. I will slice you with my diamond sword. Why? Because I will. Ask me again. Oh, man. Well, but are you sure? Yes. Just go. Why? 'Cause I said so. Now so I can cut you. Fine. This music's so awesome! Yeah! I also like this disco light that I bought. Oh yeah! Yeah. This is so awesome! Oh my goodness, this music's so loud. What am I supposed to do? Well, I can help. Who said that? Yeah, I can help. So, what do you need, Enderman? Well, Steve is hosting a huge party, and he won't turn down his music because I'm trying to sleep. Well, did you ask him? No. Oh. Well, let me go ask him. I'm going to have to break your bones. Why? Because I said so. No, you won't have diamond armor. Oh yeah? Well, take this. My roof! Oh yeah? Oh yeah? You like this thing so much? Oh yeah? Die! No, my disco light! How dare you! I'm gonna kill you! Die! Give up, you can't win. Oh, I got this! My eyes! My eyes! Yes! See? I'm finally gonna kill you, Mario! What? What's going on? I'm not gonna let you. Hey, go on me, you stupid Enderman! Oh, see? I'm gonna kill you instead! Yo! Oh! Super Mario Throw! Oh! Super Mario Throw! Oh! No, not again. Not again. Ah! Oh! Oh! This is what you get. Oh. Ah! Sorry for the announcement. Please stand by. Die! I will kill you! Ah! Oh! Ow! Break this thing on you! Oh! My eyes! Ah! See how shiny it is! Ah! Die! Prepare to die! Ah! Ow! Ow! Yeah! Yeah! No! It broke! How dare you! No! Whew. Now you can see. Thank you. Thank you, Mario. You're welcome. But the music. Die! Well, good night. Oh my goodness, I can't believe what Mario done. Well, time to go to bed. Well guys, hope you guys liked the video. Comment down below if you liked it or not. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe right beside the subscribe button. Please click the bell so you won't miss any videos that I make. So